Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing 3 different DIYs, and they all have to do with succulents, which are my favorite thing in the whole entire world. So I purchased all of these succulents from the Dollar Tree. I had a bunch over from last year. I started kind of reusing items I already had and kind of tearing apart some of my older DIYs because I have too many. But the first one I'm going to start with is with one of these deer heads and one of these wood slice logs. I'm using succulents, E6000, and some reindeer moss. I'm just going to take the E6000 and lay it all across the back. My husband makes these and he uses this little piece of wood and he starts molding the whole front. He uses like Paris from plaster or something to that matter, and that's how he makes them, and then I just use them. So I just took E6000 and hot glue and glued it to this piece of wood. You can pick these up at Michael's, and then I'm just adding all these succulents to this. This was so simple and easy. I did have to use a ton of hot glue because they did keep falling off, and then I did just end up sticking the reindeer moss inside the empty little spots between the succulents. I will say the last year's succulents at the Dollar Tree were way nicer. I love the material more. Now this year it's kind of like really plasticky and like fake feeling, but I absolutely love the last year's ones. So if you have the last year's ones, do not throw those away because they are amazing.
When I'm down, you pick me up. You and me, we shine it does.
And that's all there was to it for the first DIY. Like I said, this was super simple. I used a ton of hot glue sticks, so if you do use any of these ideas for DIYs, make sure you stock up on hot glue guns because I went through probably 30 of them. This next DIY, I'm just going to be making a succulent wreath, and I have to say that I kind of looked this up online, and I see that they were selling succulent wreaths like this at Pottery Barn for $100. I was like amazed of how expensive some places are. Theirs might have been a little bit better quality because once I started adding these succulents onto this wreath, everything got super heavy and my wreath almost like bent in a shape that wasn't a circle, so it's not like a perfect circle, so you will notice that a little bit. But anyways, I love the way this turned out, and I used a ton of hot glue. I kind of started using the moss stones and I decided I did not like them and I just liked them. All the succulents on here, I absolutely love this. And the last DIY I'm using are these little tea light holders. I picked these up last year, and I'm just going to take the Waverly chalk paint in white and just paint these. Like I said, these are super simple, easy DIYs. They're almost so self-explanatory, but I had these last year, and I know you can find them this year. They don't have the little hanging hook, but I ripped everything apart, and then I painted them white, and then I took some twine and just wrapped them around the top and made this a super and simple easy DIY. And then I just took a succulent I purchased this year from the Dollar Tree and then just stuck it right on top, and this fit perfect. But that is it for my DIYs, you guys. I hope you enjoyed these simple, easy, succulent Dollar Tree DIYs. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.